to switch to single lens on Insta360 X5. So on your device, just tap on the video camera option. Now, once you come here, go to single lens on top. From here, you can choose any of the categories according to your preferences. I'm going to select the option of video. Then you can change the resolution and FPS as well. So let's tap on it. Now over here you can see the resolution has been set to 4K. You can change according to your choice. Similarly, you can also choose the frame rate according to your choice. Then you can also tap on the category of ratio. Then you can choose the ratio accordingly. So follow these easy steps in order to switch to single lens on Insta360 X5. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.